welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you where the LBD port is, location is on a VW Crafter. This is a 21 plate. If you come to the driver's side or the passenger side, I'm doing it from the passenger side because that's the closest side to me. And if you come to where your pedals are, and if you look just left of your clutch pedal on this side, just above there, that's where you'll see your LBD port. So if you come down here and you go under there like that, you will actually see where, just there, you will actually see your LBD port location. So there you go. If this helped you out at all, please consider giving it a thumbs up, liking, sharing and subscribing to the channel for future videos, and hitting the notification bell for future videos as well, for when I upload them it will actually let you know there's a new video being uploaded. I'm actually going to be leaving it there now and stop waffling on, but I'm just going to say one more thing, which is I do appreciate the new subscribers who's subscribed to the channel as well. That does help the channel grow a lot. Like I said, I'm actually going to leave it there now and stop waffling on, and until next time I'll catch you in another video.